Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Domain of Commerce. Today in this video, we are going to discuss the concept of management, its related topics and features of management. So, it will be the first and introductory video on the concept of management. So, let's start the video. In order to understand the concept of management, we must know the meaning of management. The term management has been used in different senses. Sometimes it is used in the sense of managing the group of people in an organization, while at other times it refers to the process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, and controlling. As management has been defined differently by the different authors. Basically, there are two concepts of management. First is traditional concept and second is modern concept. As in traditional approach, according to Mary Parker Follett, management is an art of getting things done through others. But it is not possible to get things done through others by force. So, this approach is not appropriate in today's environment. So in next approach, that is in modern approach, according to Henry Fayol, to manage is to forecast and plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and to control. By using this approach, a management can achieve its organization's objective. Now we discuss example of management in layman's language. When we arrange a party, so there are different things which we have to manage, like budget of the party, the menu, that is food catering arrangements, the venue, decoration, inviting guests, etc. In this case, all activities are allotted to different persons so that every person can perform their duties effectively and efficiently. So when we gather all these activities, which results a perfect party, it shows the best performance of management also. So our next topic is some related topics of management. There are 5 topics which relates to management. First is management as a noun. When we used management as a noun, it refers to all those persons who are concerned with getting things done through others. Thus, all persons in the organization who have supervisory responsibility over others makes up the management. For example, board of directors, managing directors, etc. Second is management as a process. Management, when used as a process, refers to all that a manager does. A manager undertakes various interrelated functions to make efficient use of resources. It includes various functions of management also, like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, and controlling. Now, the next is management as an activity. Management is an activity like other activities such as playing, studying, teaching, etc. A manager gets things done through the efforts of other people. Managers generally perform the different activities like interpersonal activities, decisional activities, informative activities, etc. So, fourth is management as a group. Management as a group refers to those who are working in the activities of management. Management is not undertaken by one person but by all the persons working at their levels. When one talks of management of a company, then he refers to all those persons who are performing managerial activities there. There are different types of managers like family managers, professional managers, and civil servants. So, the last point is management as a discipline. Sometimes the term management is used to explain neither the activity nor the personnel who performs it, but as a body of knowledge, a practice, and a discipline. In this sense, management refers to the principles and practices of management as a subject of study. So, our next topic is features of management. So, there are different features of management. First is universal. Management is applicable in all types of organization. Wherever there is human activity, there is a management. So, second is goal oriented. Management aims to achieve economic and social objective. It exists to achieve some definite goals. So, the group effort in management are always directed towards the achievement of predetermined goals. Third is continuous process. Management is a continuous process till an organization exists for attaining its objective. Fourth is multidimensional. Management is multidimensional as it involves management of work, people, and operations. Fifth is group activity. Management is an essential part of a group activity as no individual can satisfy all his desires himself. So, for this, he unites his fellow beings and works in an organized group to achieve what he cannot achieve individually. So, sixth is dynamic function. Management is a dynamic function, that is, it has to be performed continuously. It also engaged in the molding of the enterprise in an ever changing business environment. So, the last point is intangible force. Management is an intangible, that is, it can be felt in the form of results and not seen. For example, when we are not able to produce the desired quantity, we say it is the result of poor management. So, these are the features of management. This is all about the concept of management. Hope you all understand this. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video and stay tuned to this channel. Thanks for watching.